Whoop, whoop. He jumped out on the wrong side.
Yeah, hey, take the rope.
Supposed to jump on that side?
Take it out. Take it out.
We're not coordinating it. Let it go.
That was a hell of a start, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Good job, man.
You were rocking, dude.
When that rope gets tight, watch that boat out in front of you. A little more. Take it out. Go.
Turn left. Keep turning left.
Like this?
Yeah. Keep turning. Go. Go. You're good.
Got him?
He's in.
All right.
They're stuck on the hook. Good. All right, Chuck. Take us back around to where the smooth water starts again.
Yeah, you know what? Exactly. You called it right, Paul. Doesn't have the handle yet.
You're going.
No.
It's not tight yet.
Okay. Yep. Yep.
Got the handle
Yep.
now?
Take a left. Take a left.
Get in the water.
No ski pro table.
Someone can take over
Not a
this.
ski pro.
Someone can take over this camera.
We be racing.
Give him a break. Give him a break when you come tight here. I don't. He's
Well, take the light out.
Let him get settled.
Go,
He's
go,
ready.
go, go.
Where's Chad's boat?
I don't know. They probably got breakfast and then they'll get back up.
Let him go again. Just find some good water. Let it roll out and pick a spot.
Take the light out. Take the light out.
We're not stressing. We want the man to make us start.
I am. I want to get him.
Rob needs a cocktail.
Yeah, pretty much.
Are we sure we want to go around again, boys? The restaurant's right there.
We got to give him a run anyway.
Yeah, that's true.
We don't have to go around again though.
Well,
I wasn't having any fun.
Yeah, I'm good with.
Yeah. See those guys? Are they pretty?
They're running. They're doing fun.
No, they're not hard. No, the barrel's open and closed. Hard.
We haven't got any fun.
Oh, great. I'm going to have a really good time. I got some nice water. How are we with that? Get that for me. Get that for me. Yes, Dan! You're kicking ass! Edit that out, buddy! You're kicking fucking ass! Every time I swore, he's like, well, I'm gonna have to edit that out.
Standing there.
So tell me, guys, am I getting in the water?
No, we've already got a couple of votes no, but hey, I'm happy to have you do it.
I really, you know,
I wasn't having any fun.
I could make it to that corner. Rob, are you wanting to get in that corner again?
You were looking like you were having fun.
I mean, are you willing to take the ribbing from Chad Meats? Because that's what it's going to boil down to. I'll take it, because I take it from him all the time. All right, let's go have a Bloody Mary.
Everybody
I went outside the grill.
No.
I'm getting back.
All right.
I'm getting back on.
Shallow.
I'll try
Hey.
skiing.
How shallow?
Excuse back, huh?
3 feet, you're
We need
good.
a rough
Running back and down low or what?
You're good for the boat anyway.
It's either 36 or 40.
Tip the handle down and go a little slower.
No, we're going back to the restaurant. Don't go that way.
No, I don't want to go in that shit. I'll take the nice little cruiser bag if I make it.
Well, you will. I'll even buy one of their teammates breakfast just to appease them. Okay, you won. We'll buy you breakfast.
You find Bob's boat anywhere?
The stolen boat?
No, that's.
Oh, the one he's in right now?
They're long gone.
Yeah.
We could have laughed them, eh?
I think we could have won this race because we were in the lead and Rob was strong. We could have won that race.
I was bobbling all
But
over
I
the place
still,
back there.
but I still would not have been in the mood for 3 laps.
That would be a lot of work.
I thought it was glass. You did great, man. Really good. I thought
That
it
was awesome.
I thought it was
water was like
like when we got here at 7 and the whole lake was glassy. I'm glad I'm in here.
Thanks a lot.
If there was a little plastic trophy at the end, though, we'd have to finish it. Here comes another boat. I think that's the that's the Supra.
That is the Supra.
I think that's the Supra.
There's no way. They must have gone back and got a different boat.
No way are they catching.
Those guys
You can hit that zoom if you want.
They'll know exactly what's going on when we're skiing that way. They're like, those guys are headed in for breakfast.
We should have done like 4 fucking power turns in here.
Right there, yeah.
Pick him up.
They're gonna crack up when we're going that way. They're not gonna make it this far though. Whoever's skiing ain't skiing to here.
5 feet. He's got the handle. Feet around.
Gentlemen.
Yes.
Yeah. Turbo. You ran the rope over.
I did.
That's all right.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. All right.
I hold it.
Button by your thumb.
Good job, boys.
Where your thumb would be, just press